Hello everybody, I am Mohammad Zamni from Mavanella. My son Mohammad Ayyash from Zahira College, Mavanella. He's an inventor and he's participating in invention competition from his early age. That means when he was in grade 6, he was participating, and consecutively each year he's coming for this Sahasakniyamum, the competitions every year, and already he has been selected for that one of that international event that it took place 2017 in Indonesia, and he got a gold medal. And this time also he has been selected for this to participate in Taiwan, which will be held in another couple of days. This time also he has invented a new invention, that safe tree branch cutter. So at this moment I want to mention about that the invention commissions and their dedicated works, and that how they are motivating the children and advising and guiding. That is actually I have to talk about that, few words about that. Actually the motivation is given by this invention commission to the students is a very grateful, very appreciable one, because that the students are very they are coming to these events or the competition with great expectations, and actually their aim is just winning a medal or a certificate or something. But beyond that also we have something to achieve. That means actually that the students, their invention should be come to the market. That means it should give that economical benefit to the country. That idea is first of all given by this new, I think that that new idea was given by that our new commissioner, Professor Halwatra, I think, when he was speaking and with children's also, and in public speech also, he gave that special idea. That means your invention, that means that invention should benefit to the country economically. That means you must market it, and you have to go beyond that. You are just achieving a medal or something, that's not enough. You have to go beyond that. That point is emphasized by that Professor Halwatra, and that is very valuable and very important point. I think that the students should get that point. And also that guidance given by this Inventors Commission, when that competitions are take place, several experts are coming, and several that people coming from different fields, and it gives a very good opportunity to students to discuss with them and share their knowledge and experience, and that's also benefited for students. And of course that staff, the dedicated staff of this Inventors Commission, of course they are doing a very valuable job, and they are dedicated. And in this event also that traveling to the Taiwan also, we came to know that according to the new regulation that program was cancelled, but I think that chairman, he did a very very excellent job to again to take that permission from that authorities. He has dedicated, he has several times he has visited to that officers, and he has done a very good, marvelous job to get this permission again. And of course we have to thankful for that particularly on behalf of our parents and the children, we have to thank for him. And of course that new, that mean for schools, they have a new project. That means they are financially also they are helping to build up a new inventors club and run for that club. And of course in future I hope that they will give that additional support in advising all that. Another important point we are expecting from that Inventors Commission, that the students sometimes come across or that they are coming with that new ideas, and they don't know to whom they are submit this one and to get that expert, that means ideas from that, or to develop it one to whom they have to talk or they have to discuss that experts, or that where they have to get that further idea. So in that case of course that the Inventors Commission can help for them. And of course I hope that in future they will do a marvelous job, and in students also definitely they will be benefited from these competitions, and that the motivations given by this Inventors Commissions and the dedicated staff. And again I want to thank the commissioner and that staff of this Inventors Commission. They are doing a marvelous job, and we hope that in future they will do a better job than this. And our best wishes, and Almighty God will bless all these staff and that the commissioner. Thank you very much.